YouTube, welcome to a brand new episode of Money Mitch TV. This is your boy nigga here, Money Mitch, back at you, back like I never left. You see the box, you see the color code, you see all that QR, price that $190. Now we got a good look at it. Let's get it, man.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meals.
Okay, so the thing we looking at today is Special 13 Laker guys. You did these things right here. Woo. Y'all good look, man. We got that nice tumble white dripped upper leather on these guys, man. What the cow ass looking like? Okay, little tumble cow ass on these guys. Then take a look at that midsole accent. We do have all gray suede on that guy. Yes, sir. Next, we have that outsole, which is in black all throughout that outsole on these guys, man. Jumpman is in black on that tongue. Can you see the tumbleness on it? I just want that to pick up. We got slim rope laces, I believe, not oval. Yeah, these are rope, slim rope laces. Look at that tumble on that guy though. You see it all throughout that shoe. And take a look at that inside panel. Like I said, suede all throughout. Yes, sir. And lastly, look at that outsole, black outsole, hints of yellow all throughout those. Yes, sir. Pod also has a yellow Jumpman, and the rest of those hints are yellow and white throughout the outsole, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, what are y'all thoughts, comments, and opinions about these Laker Retro 13? Off top me, I just wish it was more hints of yellow on the upper. Maybe just give me like a yellow Jumpman. I think that'll do. Or even yellow right here, where it's white, where it says Joy. I think that'll make it pop and get that Laker theme a little more. Of course, you see it on the outsole, but how often you gonna see the bottom of somebody's shoes? A dope shoe though, dope 13. Nothing I just have to have, but very clean, man. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Y'all like them? Y'all sleeping on them? Y'all going after them? What y'all think about these, man? I hope I just gave y'all a good in-depth look of them. Didn't go over that. Didn't hit you guys with that holographic logo on that side, as you see. But yeah, man, decent shoe, man. Thoughts, comments, opinions, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. But Laker 13s, man. Like I said, if you haven't subscribe to the channel, man, go ahead and sizzle up for your boy. If you have not liked this video, drop a like. And like your boy Sneaker Head Money Mitch always tell you, man, make sure you always like what you rock and rock what you like, man. Cha-ching, gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from